In this LaVideo Pro review, I'm going to be showing you a way that you can quickly create videos, presentations, e-courses, interactive games, and more with done-for-you materials. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out LaVideo Pro, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says the fastest and easiest way to create video, presentation, e-course, and interactive games for any needs. Now you can create your own highly engaging video and presentation in minutes using 45,000 done-for-you slide templates. So essentially these are templates that you can use. I'm going to show you real examples of these to easily create these different assets here. You can, it says choose from over 600 done-for-you professional templates, customize and modify, and then you can export them to 4K video or use in a presentation format here. So let's actually take a look, because I know some of you are going to be confused about like what it actually is this. And I was confused a little bit at the beginning too as well. So you can see here's some actual templates here. I'm going to click on start learning. You can actually see what these templates look like. And you can use these in presentations, in sales videos here. They look really nice. All these animations coming in. And you can change all these to look, to have it be like your stuff. And it will make it look like you're really good at doing this. And change all your images and everything. And have your presentations all done for you. Your sales videos all done for you. Here's another one. It's actually like a game here, which I thought was pretty cool. I didn't know you could do this. Click the little things here. It has little game things there. Where is the location of the building? You can have little things here that you can click and have a little game. I didn't even know you could do this. Guess the city. Blah, blah, blah. So it's kind of an interesting thing there as well. So you can use this for like niche presentations. They've got full previews on the sales page. So of course, I know everyone wants to see what these look like. You can actually play the videos or fully preview all of these, like e-learning, gadgets, esports, coffee shops, elections, food, construction, everything, advertising that you can do here. Multi-purpose presentation, PowerPoints, games here. So there's all kinds of different like games, e-courses, children's materials, elementary school, advanced presentation objects included inside of here. All of these that you can use for your videos, whiteboard kits here. This is kind of cool, etc. So I'm going to go down here. It's going to show you the price here. Of course, this is going to change depending upon when you get to the sales page. You get 10 modules, module 1 niche presentation templates, all these different templates. I'm not going to read them all. But here's the thing, like people are asking like, what is this? So LaVideo is a PowerPoint explainer presentation video templates. It's not a software. It's not a plugin or a WordPress theme. These are assets that you can use for your different videos here. So you can use this with all the different softwares out there. If you've got like PowerPoint or if you've got Keynote or whatever, you can use those on those as well. So you probably already have a software that you can use with this. Like, does audio come? No, it's separately, but they give you a direct link to the audio creator, so you can get that separately. So if you've got audio from other places, you can use that as well. So that's the product here. I'm going to play a quick little video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area and the upgrades.
The fastest and easiest way to create promo videos, e-courses, interactive games, webinars, business presentations, e-learning, whiteboard videos, and presentations, or any other video and presentation needs. All done easily and quickly using LaVideo Pro. LaVideo Pro contains more than 40,000 designs inside over 600 templates that will help you to create videos and presentations using PowerPoint. And here are all the modules included in LaVideo Pro. Module 1, niche video and presentation templates. Module 2, multi-purpose video and presentation kits. Module 3, interactive game templates. Module 4, e-course templates. Module 5, presentation objects. Module 6, infographic design kit. Module 7, isometric design kit. Module 8, whiteboard video and presentation kit. Module 9, icon kit. Module 10, website templates. LaVideo Pro is very well designed so that even beginners can create professional video, presentations, e-course, webinars, product promotions, and whiteboard videos easily in 3 simple steps. Choose one from 600 plus done-for-you professional templates. Customize every aspect of the templates easily using PowerPoint. And export your work to 4K video or use it as a presentation format. LaVideo Pro is the most complete solution for anyone to start creating the best video and presentations for all needs. So what are you waiting for? Get access to LaVideo Pro today and start creating professional videos and presentations in minutes.
Okay, so after you purchase, you'll have access to the download area here. We can download all of your different assets. It's got all your training in here, everything to get started with all of this. And then, of course, it has some upgrades. So the first one here is it says get extra 600 plus new video presentation, interactive game templates, and assets with free commercial rights. So you can get a bunch more with commercial rights. So you can use these for your clients. You can sell this on a service as a service on places like Fiverr and Upwork. And this one, it looks like right now, it's on a dime sale type thing. It's $36. That price will go up during launch. Next one here is, it looks like it's got an extra, what is this? A bundle here. So it gives you all kinds of different stuff here, all kinds of different packs of all their different assets that they've got here. This one is more expensive because it has all their stuff in it. It's $78, and that's going up as well. And that's it. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about LaVideo Pro and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, it's not a software. So if you're looking for a fancy new software that you're going to play around with and it's going to make these videos for you, you're out of luck. What do I like about this? That being said, if you've got software that you're already used to, if you can use PowerPoint or Keynote or whatever, and you understand how to use those type of things, then you can use this, put these in your different softwares, activate it, and you've got a way of making your content look wonderful without a lot of work. Thank you so much for checking out my review. If you want to take a look at LaVideo Pro, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.